A clogged water inlet valve can cause a washer to produce loud noises when filling, often due to mineral deposits and debris. To fix this issue, the inlet valve should be replaced by first disconnecting the water and power supply to the washer. The water supply hoses should then be disconnected from the inlet valve, and the screws holding it in place removed. After taking out the old inlet valve, a replacement part can be installed, secured in place, and the water supply hoses reconnected. Finally, the water and power supply to the washer should be reconnected. Another possible cause of loud noises is extremely high water pressure, which can be addressed by reducing the water supply pressure to the washer. It is also essential to check for clogged inlet hoses, as mineral deposits, dirt, and debris can accumulate and force the machine to use more energy, resulting in loud noises. To resolve this, the inlet hoses should be disconnected and cleaned, or replaced if cleaning could damage the pipes. By taking these steps, the issue of loud noises when filling the washer can be resolved.